All right, so the key to comparing scientific notation numbers or numbers written in a scientific notation is to look at the power, because that's how many times we're going to move it to the right. So the higher the power, the larger the number should be. Um, if you're comparing, all right, a scientific notation number to a standardized number, you should probably um, transfer it, transfer both, I guess, into the same written number so that you can actually compare it. And it would make more sense that way so you don't make any errors. So in this situation, let's change this right here to a standard number. So if I move my decimal, all right, it should be 8 point, and then moving the point 3 times. 1, 2, and then 3. The first number is actually 8,330. And then the right number, the second number is 833. So right away I can tell, right away that this number is larger. So my answer should be greater than. And then remember that this alligator is always trying to eat the greater number. All right, so if you want to look down here, this is what we got, just to see their answer to compare. All right, this time we have two numbers and they are both in scientific notation. So, like I said, look at the powers. The higher the power, the larger the number is going to be. So, because, well, 5 is larger than 4, we're going to say that the first one is less than the second one. All right, here's the next one. This time we have the standard form first, all right? And then this number is in scientific notation. So I need to switch it up. I'm going to switch this into standard form just because to me that's easier. So I have 9 and then the decimal's right here. So I'm going to count as I write these numbers. So 1, 2, I need to move it 4 times. So 3, 4. I need to add some zeros. So which one is bigger? Which one is larger? The first one or the second one? Obviously, the second one. That's 94,700. So the first one is less than the second one. All right, and then you just continue doing that. If you want, we can do this next one as well. So again, we have a standard form, and then we have a scientific notation. Let's go ahead and make them all standard form. So I have 10 to the second power. I need to move the decimal twice, right? So that's 1 point. All right, so now I'm gonna write the numbers and count. So that's 1 time to the right, and then 2 times to the right. Now I need to put my decimal here, and then it's 0.5. So which number is larger? Well, if I look here, I have 137.5 for this scientific notation number here. And then the first number is just 135. So I can tell right away that 135 is less than 137.5. All right. And then you just continue doing that for the rest of the problems.